All right, we got the Bullard helmet installed. Let's go through this this MSA Cairns, because I'm gonna try to post a little link on Twitter so they see it. Like, obviously this helmet is fucked. Like, I don't know when I had this helmet. I had this helmet back in like 05 or something. And you know, it's obviously a problem. So here's the deal. This chin strap is such a unique, innovative design that I wanted to show how easy it was to install it on a MSA Cairns helmet. With the eyelets being how they are, it's like simple as hell. So the first thing you do is put the helmet like facing you so you know which side is which, because I like to clip my helmet strap on the right side. So you're going to want to put the male end of the helmet strap on the left side. And you look for the punched logo stamp on there, and it could be different for different agencies, or you can customize it. You can decide which one you want. So you want that facing away from the helmet when you go to install it, because you'll see why. So you insert the leather chin strap from the remove the magnet before you do that. So when you slide it in, you're sliding it in from the outside to the in with the logo facing down. Slip it through there and tighten it up. One side done. We didn't need a 3-step video. One step was just fine. So then you take your female end of the lucky chin strap and you feed it so the back side is facing you. You feed it in, outside in, slide it in, snap it closed. Boom. You've just got it installed. And now you slip the tail end of the chin strap through the adjustable portion of the Cobra belt buckle, chin strap buckle. Feed it through. You decide where it is that it's going to line up on your chin strap. You put it on. You put your SCBA mask on. You decide how tight it is that you want it. Okay, you get it to where you want it to be, and you want it so that, because the adjustability of the chin strap works in two ways. You can have it there, you can twist the magnet, you can have it there, and you can have it there. So you have 3 different options of adjustability where it goes. And you want it to line up just inside of the tail end of the chin strap. Okay, it's going to look just about like that. Then you take the end, you flip it upside down, and you slide in the magnet into the slit piece. Use a screwdriver or a push piece device or something like that to push it in. And it'll line up right where you want it. See? That's the magnet design. So the other thing is the quick release function. You only need one hand to release it. The release is immediate. You can do it with gloves on. When you go to attach it, you're gonna need 2 hands. When you go to secure it, you're gonna need 2 hands. But that's the same with any other helmet. Anytime you adjust your helmet chin strap, you need 2 hands. And it's easy to do with gloves on. You can hold the male end or the female end of the chin strap and snap it closed. Boom. Just like that. MSA Cairns, done.